As aircraft leases approach their conclusion, the return process can expose operators to significant financial risks, particularly related to parts and components. So let's explore these 5 key end-of-lease material challenges that you need to be ready for. Challenge 1, expiration of rotable component contracts. These contracts often only cover active service periods. So when an aircraft is being prepared for return, it's no longer supported. Take a proactive approach and negotiate transitional support or work with a long-term material partner well before the lease expiration. Challenge 2, component life cycle mismatch. Another significant challenge arises when components fail to meet the remaining life requirements. Consistent monitoring and predictive maintenance strategies prevent costly replacements or overhauls. Challenge 3, documentation and traceability issues. Maintain thorough documentation for every part, repair, and replacement. Stringent record keeping protocols ensure all parts meet lease return agreements. Challenge 4, mismatch of part numbers and configurations. Regularly identify and recidify part number mismatches, avoiding last minute changes in lease return penalties. And then finally, challenge number 5 is end of life components and obsolescence management. Managing obsolescence through robust strategies ensures components are compliant and available when needed, avoiding delays and additional costs during your lease returns. If you want to optimize the material for your next lease return, contact our team for expert guidance and tailored solutions that mitigate risks and enhance your operational efficiency with better lease returns.